Hello, my name is Sofia Arisa. And Billy, I am going to guide you into my family. My father's name is Cesar. He is a 53. He is a funny and workful. He work as rancher in his free time. He loves to stay with my family and watch TV. My mother's name is Janet. She is 52. She is serious, sociable, and organized. She loves countryside and watch TikTok. And my daughters, Maria Celeste, she is one. She is a cute, energetic, amazing, and beautiful. She loves to play with her toy. My sister name is Monica. She is beautiful, too funny, creative, and organized. She likes to craft. My sister Monica has two daughters, Mariana and Lucia. My nice Mariana, she is a 10, she is intelligent and energetic and sociable. She loves countryside and horse. My nice Lucia, she is a one, she is a cute, energetic and serious. My sister's name is Sarah. My sister is named Sarah. And she is a 2-5, has work like to doctor. She is serious, intelligent. She like to do dance horopo. My brother's name is Enrique or Kike. He is a 31. He was two children, Juan and Alejandro. He has big boy. My brother Enrique. Okay, my brother's is Enrique. He's a 31. He's a two children, Jose, Juan, and Alejandro. My girlfriend's brother is Camila. She's 22. In this moment, pregnant. Okay. My nephew, Juan Jose, he's a 6. He's a funny and intelligent. He likes to watch TV. She is my grandmother, Sarah. She is my father's mother. And she likes to be on the far white children. He is my grandfather, Guillermo. He is a paternal grandfather, and he is a bit bad-tempered. She is my grandmother, Priscilla. She is my mother's maternal and she's like to crafts and a second closet. My maternal grandfather Luis, he has already body like bait and the farm. Lo que quise decir es que mi abuelito materno falleció, por lo cual no tengo fotos.